Students, good morning. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the chapter integers, and also we had solved some problems of worksheet 1. Today I am going to start new topic, that is absolute value of integers, along with worksheet 2. Then let us move towards the topic. Dear students, your topic integers, and we already explained about positive integers, negative integers, and how can you represent integers on a number line. And today I am going to start absolute value of integers. Dear students, before starting absolute value, we observe on number line. Here number line are given and indicate origin, and on right side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here 2 and here 8. It is clear? So 8 is extreme right and 2 is left from the digit 8. So 8 is the right of 2. Therefore 2 is less than 8 because 2 is left side and 8 is right side. Such as a number to the right of a given number is greater than the given number. So you observe that minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Here minus 2 and minus 3 are given, and minus 2 is right side and minus 3 is left side. So minus 3 is less than minus 2. Now some important point related to integers. Every positive integers is greater than any negative integer. Second, 0 is less than every positive integer. And third, 0 is greater than every negative integer. Next point, minus 1 is greatest negative integer. Dear student, we observe that minus 1 is the greatest negative integers. And lastly, we cannot find the greatest positive integers or the smallest negative integers. Now, new topic, absolute value of integers. Dear students, we see that two students, Monu and Senu, are standing at a point 0. After 2 minutes, see their position. Sonu walked to the left of 0 and reaches minus 3, and Monu walked to the right of 0 and reaches plus 3. Both are standing on origin, but Sonu moved from left side and mono right side, and equal distance. Here Sonu stand on 3 steps left from origin and mono stand on 3 steps right from origin, but both are same distance. So it is clear that absolute value of an integer is its numerical value without taking the sign into account. It is clear? Absolute value of an integer is its numerical value without taking the sign into account. It is clear that both strands Sonu and Monu are equal distance. So absolute value of minus 3 is 3 and also absolute value of 3 is 3. Here some given examples. Absolute value of plus 1 is 1. Absolute value of minus 1 is 1. Absolute value of minus 7 is 7. Absolute value of 21 is 21. And absolute value of 0 is 0. Now we see that now I am going to start worksheet 2. Do as directed. Mark any point as origin on the given number line. Dear students, here given number line. So suppose take a point as origin. Yeah? Write integers on the either side of the origin with proper sign. Dear students, from right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So second question, encircle the number which is to the right of the other on number line of the following pairs 3 and minus 1. Dear friends, we compare 3 and minus 1. See here 3 and here right side 3 and here minus 1. We see that 3 is right from minus 1. We know that right side is always greater than its left side on the same number line. So 3 and minus 1 encircle the number which is to right of the other. So which number is right side? Dear friends, 3 is right side. Next 0 and minus 8. So 0 is minus 8 is 0 is right side. Minus 6 and minus 4. Minus 4 is right side. Same you solve other questions. And third question, write all the integers between minus 5 and 0. Dear friends, all integers minus 5 to 0. We see that here minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 and 0. So all numbers between minus and 0 is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. So all numbers minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. All numbers lie between minus 5 to 0. Minus 5 to 0, this number. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next question. Compare the numbers and insert an appropriate symbol greater less equal in the given space. Dear students, here 3 and minus 3. So minus 3 left side from origin and 3 is right side from origin. So right side number is always more than left side. So 3 is greater than minus 3. Minus 1 is less than 0. Minus 101 is more than minus 105. And next question, minus 4 and minus 14. So minus 14 is less than, sorry, minus 4 is greater than minus 14. So dear students, in same way you solve in question 5. Fill in the following table with the absolute value. 17. Absolute value 17 is also 17. Absolute value minus 18 equal to 18. Absolute value 0 is 0. Absolute value minus 43 is 43. Absolute value of 21. 21. Absolute value of minus 105 equal to 105. Absolute value of minus 61 equal to 61. And absolute value of 1283 is 1283. And question 6. Write the following in ascending order. Dear students, here we see that 4 minus 5 minus 16 minus 11 minus 21 and 15. Ascending order. So minus 21 is less than minus 11 and minus 11 less than minus 5 and less than 4 less than 16 less than 50. So ascending order is minus 21, minus 11, minus 5, 4, 16 and 50. And next question. Question 7. Write the following in descending order in same way. Here only descending order. More number is first and after that a smaller number. Write true and false for the following statement. Every integer is either positive or negative. This statement is true or false. Every integer is either positive or negative, but 0 is integers, but 0 is not positive and not negative. So dear friends, today's class is over and your homework is do worksheet 2. Thanks, have a nice day.